previously on Arts Weekly.
So I'm pretty tired. I realize that when I'm tired, I don't paint as well. So it started to go bad here
Arts Workfly.
because I got really tired. This one is the third, and this one is the fourth. I was trying to draw this not too long ago. So I'm going to clean up now and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, good morning everyone. It's now 8:30 something. It's June 17, 2021, day 3 of Arts Weekly, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue to paint here, so stay tuned for that. Arts Workfly. So these leaves needs to be fixed, so I'm going to try and fix these leaves first. The other 3 are okay, just a bit of touches here and there on them, but this definitely needs to be fixed, so I'm going to fix these first. paintings. One of them I'm still working on, the one that is on the canvas. And sorry I haven't been talking in this vlog. I was busy working, trying to get these paintings done. I want to finish them by tomorrow, which is Friday, June 18th. So I really was working. But you guys going to see the clips of the different artworks. I will post them separately. I am going to show you guys the paintings now. Alright, so I'm going home now. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.